We're back.
We're back. We've been gone for a while.
Yeah, we've been gone for a while. And the main reason is because of this. I don't know if you can see that at all, but I had knee surgery and I was out for a little while. Yeah, playing basketball.
Second one.
Yes. Unfortunately, now both my knees match. But we're back and we wanted to start with something easy. And we figured we'd start with some puzzle boxes, or mainly just one. Yeah, so there's 4 puzzle boxes in here. I figured we'd do one today. Oh, that like cut it super easily.
Sharp key.
We won't be doing all of these today. We'll just be doing one. I'm hoping none of them are duplicates.
Are you going to show any of these?
Well, yeah, we're going to show at least one of them. Let's just start with, wait.
Let's start with this one.
That's a log. We can do that some other day. That one seems kind of, it seems lame now that I look at it.
Yeah, don't go look at it. I'm just taking
What did you look at?
No, I'm not, you don't want to see it.
Well then,
Yeah, so
okay, well maybe I'll have to be the one that does it.
No, I mean.
What do you mean you already know?
Well, I saw something, because it's on the back.
Okay.
But don't look.
Well then put it away. Put it
Here.
back in the box. Okay, we're gonna do this one. We'll do this one. Yeah.
All right.
Do that. We'll do that one first.
Have we done one like this already?
Well, no, okay.
All right.
This company makes ones that look similar, but they open differently. I'm hoping. Ah, don't look at that.
Yeah. What did you
I would love to buy the expensive ones. Like,
see, the stinking boxes,
Yeah,
they
it's
show you how to do
companies.
it.
like,
Oh, you're not going to save the box?
no, why do we want that? Okay, if this is the same exact one that we've done before, I am going to lose it. Oh.
So, you want to try first?
I'm gonna unlock it with one move. Watch. Okay. Wait, I felt something move. Look, right. Yeah, I'll pull. It's not the same.
Right.
So it's a little different.
This seems pretty much in place.
I'll flip it on the bottom. Flip the bottom over.
Okay, so, all right, so we slid it over, we pulled it up.
Yeah, the old one the other one you used to be able to pull more on this.
I slide it back.
What level was this? This was intermediate. So you can all judge us on how dumb we are in the comment section.
Doesn't move at all. Go that way.
That's great. Ooh, don't force it.
Hey, you know what's different about this one?
What? It's got a heart?
No, look how long that is.
Well, that's just like money. Like, that's like, they're money boxes. It's supposed to be like you put money in them.
What kind of money would go in it? It's like,
I don't know.
all right, so.
By the way, all these puzzles came from, what was it? Puzzlemaster.com. So if you want to get some like these, they got tons of different ones, different levels. Some of them are kind of expensive, but if you want to get one for yourself, you can go right down into the description of this video and you can check out the site for yourself.
No, it doesn't.
Does it press down? Does it pull up?
Oh, hey, I noticed when I'm pushing down,
Yeah?
this goes down.
Okay, so there's a lip on this, on the bottom. There's a lip on this corner.
Yeah. Got a flashlight?
I feel like that's cheating.
Well, I would be able to look inside there, maybe. Well,
I mean, that's
here.
like using a tool. That's like, Dad, let's just go get a flat tip, pry it open, and then we can win. Like,
You know what makes it hard? Is that I know the answer for it's over there on the box behind me. And I want to go look. I wonder if they, at the company, when they make these, if they make sure they work.
I want. Dad, we should make our own. We should go into the puzzle box business and just make ones that don't open.
Yeah, that don't work.
Yeah, that don't work.
How much fun would you have with that? The people who make this are laughing at us right now.
They're like, we put the solution on the box, those idiots. Just look at the box. That's this thing rattling.
No, it's not.
Yeah, just hold it again. Hold it.
No, I'm putting pressure on it right now.
Are you sure? Hold it in place. Do it again. Shake it. Shake it. Shake all the pieces. Well, what is it? That has to be
Okay.
the tiniest marble in the world. Oh, is it whoa! It's coming! What was that? Slide it out. Oh! Oh, it's like a lever.
Can you see it?
Oh, it's gone now.
Yeah, right. Okay, so watch. Okay, this is the same locking type, but what happened
Oh!
is as I lift up on that, it'll slide back far enough where those two pegs.
So it's like a wedge. So it keeps this thing from moving back to release this one. So it's wedged in there, and then as you shook it, it goes down, this slides back, and then you had enough room to pull this one out.
Yeah, my ears didn't fail me, did they?
No, they didn't. Good job.
We're gonna make a big one now?
Well, yeah, it's just easier to make it bigger. Want to make it out of another log?
No, I don't have a log here.
What other log we kept?
That's all right.
You chucked it? Why'd you throw
It
it?
was cracked pretty good. Yeah, unless it's, it might be
Wait.
back there.
Back where? Back behind here? Woo! There it is! She lives! Yeah, we can make it out of Steve this time. I don't remember what I named the last one.
Yeah, goodness.
Get another one. So we're gonna go 3 inches bigger?
Yeah, 3 inches wide, and then we can cut it the length later.
Yep, okay.
There's 8 inches, there's 10 inches.
Go back to 8 inches.
Let's go 10. 9?
9. Yeah, 9 looks good. All right.
We're gonna go down a 1/2 inch.
So for the dados, we're gonna go down 1/2 inch.
1/2 inch from the top runners,
Okay.
and then.
Why'd they go with a U-shaped lock though? I feel like they did that for a reason. Oh, Dad! I know why they did that. The reason they made it into a U is because they wanted one side heavier than the other. Because when it's like this, when it's like that, it's obviously locked, but they want it to stay locked most of the time.
Yeah.
When you drop it,
Yep.
it swings back around. So we have to make it a counterweight.
Right.
It's pretty nifty. Want it to be offset or?
Yes, I just gotta go in the center here, and then it'll swing. It'll. This side will weigh more than that. So the object is that it.
Bop it on the table.
So here it is. It's in a lock position. And when if they put it on that side, they'll be able to slide the top
Yeah, so
over
it's
there.
really, you gotta bang it on its side.
Yeah, right.
So it looks like for the other side, it's pretty similar to the other puzzle box we did. We've got these 2 outer trim pieces, one on top and one on the side, and then the bottom piece here has got the 2 notches for the dowels. So let's try and do that.